Welcome to Right Relief, aiding rural communities, schools and orphanages in Africa. It's a terrific storm. It's going through all night. We're leaving now amidst the storm, and yeah, we'll keep you updated, but it's pretty bad. Okay, so I woke up and my street's flooded. Wow, look at this. This will separate the men from the boys. Wow. Good streets. I don't believe this. Really? You gotta be kidding me. Okay, well, that's the first. And luckily I got a Land Rover with a snorkel. Oh my hat. Crazy. That's gonna be an issue. We're at Peninsula Auto Cooling. And to come back, I And yeah, our water went on the passings, which was still on Piccaninny's Cliff Pass. So we immediately filled up with coolant, what have you. So we're just checking the meter, doing a pressure test, and a leak test, and just hope for the best. I hope I've not done the gaskets, it's all I need. So yeah, it's all happening. I have to do something with my auto electrician, stroke mechanic. The lead for the fridge, the connection points is not working out. The Anderson plugs, I think they're both different, so it's not giving a positive connection, and so it keeps switching off, which isn't that good with a full freezer of meat. So yeah, and my diff lock light doesn't come on. When I engage diff lock on the dashboard, it doesn't show me. So it's all fun, huh? So hopefully we can sort this all out and there's no big expense, otherwise this will have to be delayed. So then, the pressure is not dropping. So that's good news so far.
Looks like there's no leaks. You see, the problem we could have is that either the radiator is blocked and there's no proper circulation. Because you will find all along,
Well, this is the first time, and yeah.
you see it's either that or that cap is not seen it.
And the thing is, the car is heavy. It's
It is, yeah.
very.
So it might just be a blocked radiator. Because this radiator is quite huge. Now the water can't circulate. Now if you're on a flat surface, then that's okay.
I was going up a part, you see.
And sometimes the car needs to work.
So what do you reckon the head gasket? I mean,
No, not head gasket. I think it's a radiator that's
so blown.
blocked.
How do you sort that out?
Radiator must come out and you have to check how blocked it is. When do you need to leave? Gershon is a good buddy of mine.
No, it's good, man.
I must phone his wife. Don't sound right, but she's...
Well, okay, now we're doing the connection for the fridge now. And we've checked the diff locks, and it needs a new diff lock switch apparently for the light to come on the dashboard. What other good news do we have? What else was it? The engine mount needs replacing both. Yeah, so getting there. What's that? So the fluid for the clutch is low.
Yeah.
And this was serviced recently. Yeah, supposedly a big service, which is why they quoted me stupid money. Because apparently there was a miscommunication. So yeah, my good friend Gershon here, who is a Land Rover mechanic from home, is finding all these faults. So the fluid is low in the clutch. Right.
As soon as check if the pedal, if the adjuster moved, if the adjuster did not move, and then we're just going to top it up, and then after do your clutch hydraulics, when you come again, but I will give you the breakdown, what happens if it runs a bit low. It'll be very simple. Check it also. Are you kicking in lobby in? Does the suck met worteltjies aan? I'm happy with that.
I'm very happy when you're happy, yeah?
Okay. So it's not the adjustment, it's your clutch hydraulics. Okay, so you're gonna have to do I recommend you do the master cylinder and the slave cylinder. Okay, the master cylinders are expensive. The proper ones, they are a bit pricey. So for your trip, I'll explain to you what to do and show you quickly. That's there.
It's nothing you expect is gonna go wrong now, eh?
No, I've got a client that drove for 6 months with hydraulics like that. And it just oh, that bolt's closed up. Hey, McKay, the mag down. There we go. And there we go. Right. I'm just going to give you something. You see that cap there? You see it? That is your clutch hydraulics.
The one you screwed off?
Yes, so take the cap off. We're going to give you a bottle, a cooling bottle with brake fluid in it. You won't mess, you just pour till it's full and then you close it up and you pump the pedal a little bit.
So not where the switch is, the actual...
Yeah, it's behind it. Watch, it's exactly what's going to happen. That's all you do. Close him and then just pump the pedal a few times and it should come right.
So just where you put now, just fill up.
That's
top
all, yeah.
up when need be.
That's all you do.
As we make our second attempt to make our way out here. 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, if all things go well. Gotta pack the landy again. Yeah, thanks again, last minute, to Press the Print in Plumstead for assisting us with this application.